Craving cafe-quality espresso without leaving your home? Single-serve espresso machines bring convenience, flavor, and speed to your morning routine. Whether you prefer pods, manual brewers, or modern high-tech machines, choosing the right one can make all the difference. We've handpicked the top 5 single-serve espresso machines for coffee lovers in the USA, complete with detailed reviews, features, pros, and cons. Number 1. Best Pod Machine, Keurig K-Supreme Plus Smart Coffee Maker. The Keurig K-Supreme Plus is perfect for pod lovers who value speed and variety. With Smart Brew ID technology, it automatically adjusts settings for each pod type, ensuring a consistently delicious cup every time. Features of Keurig K-Supreme Plus Smart Coffee Maker. MultiStream technology for rich flavor. Compatible with K-Cup pods. Customizable brew strength and temperature. Touchscreen interface and smartphone app control. Why we like it? It's incredibly convenient for busy mornings and delivers consistent quality with minimal effort. The smart tech personalization makes it stand out from traditional pod machines. Why we didn't like it? Pods can be pricey, and some users prefer reusable pod options for sustainability. The machine is slightly bulkier than other single-serve options. Number 2. Best Manual Brewer, Flair Espresso Maker. Flair Espresso Maker is a manual lever espresso machine that allows hands-on brewing for enthusiasts. It's ideal for those who want barista-level control and rich, crema-topped espresso without electricity. Features of Flair Espresso Maker. Hand-powered lever system. Pressure gauge for precise extraction. Detachable portafilter for easy cleaning. Durable stainless steel construction. Why we like it? Gives total control over every shot, perfect for coffee aficionados. It's compact, stylish, and portable for home or travel use. Why we didn't like it? Manual operation requires skill and patience. It's not the best choice for busy mornings when you need coffee quickly. Number 3. Best Pour-Over, AeroPress Coffee and Espresso Maker. AeroPress brings simplicity and versatility to the pour-over experience. This lightweight machine is perfect for single cups, offering smooth, low-acidity espresso-like coffee. Features of AeroPress Coffee and Espresso Maker. Microfilter for clean taste. Compact and travel-friendly design. Quick brewing in under 2 minutes. Versatile for espresso and regular coffee. Why we like it? Easy to use, affordable, and portable. Its unique brewing method produces flavorful espresso-like coffee that rivals more expensive machines. Why we didn't like it? It's a manual process and may not satisfy those who want a traditional espresso machine experience. Cleaning can be a bit tedious. Number 4. Full-size drip coffee machine, Nespresso Virtuo Next. Nespresso Virtuo Next offers a full-size single-serve experience with high-quality crema and smooth espresso. Ideal for those who want barista-style coffee with the convenience of a machine. Features of Nespresso Virtuo Next. Centrifusion extraction technology. Compatible with Nespresso capsules. One-touch brewing. Compact design for small kitchens. Why we like it? Delivers consistently great espresso with minimal effort. The variety of capsule flavors keeps coffee routines exciting, and its sleek design looks great in any kitchen. Why we didn't like it? Capsules are expensive and machine lacks manual customization options for strength or temperature. Number 5. Best Modern Version, Breville Bambino Plus. Breville Bambino Plus combines modern technology with classic espresso brewing. Automatic milk texturing and fast heat-up time make it perfect for busy coffee lovers who don't want to compromise quality. Features of Breville Bambino Plus. Automatic steam wand for milk frothing. 3-second heat-up system. 15-bar Italian pump. Compact stainless steel design. Why we like it? Fast, efficient, and delivers cafe-quality espresso at home. Automatic features reduce learning curves while giving rich, velvety coffee. Why we didn't like it? Slightly higher price point and requires regular descaling for optimal performance. Choosing the right single-serve espresso machine depends on your lifestyle, taste, and how hands-on you want to be. Pod machines and modern electric options are perfect for convenience, while manual brewers and pour-overs offer more control and flavor. Each of our top 5 picks delivers quality, style, and a satisfying espresso experience for coffee lovers in the USA.